Hello, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be testing this Dirt Blaster lance for my Karcher. Right, so I actually got this power lance actually for my Karcher from Amazon. I think it was about £17 or £18, something like that. It seems pretty well made. It's got these different nozzles. They come in a little holder here, you can pop them out. And it's also got a nice little quick release here. And I believe you can get a foam lance or a foam gun to go on the end of this as well, and to this actual connection with this same thing. So I may get one of those as well and give that a test as well. The different settings, I believe the red one, I think it's got the settings actually written on it. So that's 0 degrees. I think that's the most powerful one. I think the degrees is actually the actual width of the fan. So 0 is going to be really powerful, probably for clearing out gutters and pavements and really stubborn dirt and things like that. Probably not going to be ideal for a car panel or anything like that. I think the yellow, yeah, the yellow is a, I don't know if you can see that on camera, this is just there. Yellow is a 15 degrees. And then you got a 25, which is probably going to be perfect for cleaning cars, etc. And then you got 40 degrees there, which is probably going to be better for rinsing, etc. And then I think the black one is for just adding soap. How would you do that? I suppose you've got a soap attachment. Test them all outside, see what the actual fans are like and how much power is in each nozzle. It's got the Karcher attachment there, so that should just slot in nicely. Little twist. So I think I'm going to try the 15 degree one first, and the red one I'm going to save basically for testing on pathways and things like that, because this basically is why I bought it, was to clean the paths. So we've got a lot of paths around here, they're covered in moss, and hopefully this will shift some of that, but also I can use it on the car. It'd be great for getting under the sills and under the arches with that angled nozzle instead of the straight nozzle on the standard Karcher lance. So let's get outside, hook up the old Karcher, and we'll see what it's like. Right, the Karcher's all hooked up to water. There's the original lance. Let's see how well that goes on. So, should go on and twist. Oop. That's upside down. So we do like that. There we go. It's quite easy. Right, okay. It's quite a narrow. That's the yellow one. So that's the yellow head, and that's quite a narrow fan, I suppose you could call it. And that's the, I think it was a 15 degrees. So 0 would be quite harsh, I think, on car bodywork. So I think I'll just swap that. Let's try 25 degrees, which is the green. Let's see what that's like for rinsing the car down. A little bit awkward to do this. There we go. Around the camera. Yeah, that's quite good. Okay. So I'll have a go with this under the arches and things, see if I can get under here. That way. Right, that's perfect for underneath the arches, but I think it's still a little bit powerful for the actual bodywork. So let's try the white one, which is the 40 degrees. I can slot in nicely. Yeah. Press the brass as well, it's nicely made. I suppose you can adjust the fan as well that way, so you can go that way or that way. So say that way or that way. The other one in there so I don't lose it. Let's try that. Yeah. See, that's much better for car body washing, I think. So it's pretty much a perfect angle for getting right under the arches. Get all under here. Yes, you still got to go in and do this all by hand with a brush. Get all the dirt off like that. So they'll sort of be snow foamed and then brushed in by hand to get all the actual dirt out. But to actually aid rinsing and things, I think that is probably the perfect nozzle. Excellent piece of kit. If you're cleaning off chassis and dirt and things, maybe the red and the yellow. Definitely the green one as well. That's quite a good tip as well. Yeah, does what we expect. So it's basically just makes your Karcher a little bit more versatile. You can do more jobs with it. It's just a nicer little addition to the actual little Karcher K2. Well, it's pretty impressive so far. So let's try the actual red on this little bit of pavement here. So like I said, I want to actually use it for cleaning pavements as well. So let's see if it'll clean that little area up. So it's a little narrow for parts, I think, but it cleared all the dirt off, which is nice, and all the mud off the outside edge. Let's try the yellow. Not bad at all. Yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that. Yeah, still got some algae and bits and pieces on there, which I think you probably have to get some sort of soap or additive to actually scrub that off. But for a quick going over with the red and the yellow head, I think the red head, which is the most powerful one, the 0, cut all around the edges and got some of the hard grounding dirt off, and then the yellow just basically cleared it all off quite nicely. I have now got the rest of the parts to do. Right, so this is the black soap head, which is basically a very, very soft thing. You could probably water your plants with that, to be honest. More than anything, rinse your windows down, something like that. So the green head made a perfect job of the actual door. Yeah, there's some little bits and pieces on here that need scrubbing off. A bit of soap and water and a bit of scrubbing brush to fetch it off, but that was cleaned it up, no end. Right, so in conclusion then, yeah, definitely worth purchasing. Excellent piece of kit. Basically makes your little Karcher a little more universal. You can do different jobs with it. You can clean out gutters and things like that. Can you get by without it? Yeah, definitely. But will it make your jobs a little bit easier? Yes, definitely. For £18, definitely worth buying. So if you've used one of these and you've got one of these, drop me a comment below. Tell me how you get on with it. Whether you use the black foam nozzle, how you use that. Also, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.